My name is Howard Stross, and I'm with Stross Law Firm located in Oldsmar, Florida. For several decades, we have been helping people in the areas of real estate and also in estate planning and most importantly, settling their estates. We want you to be an informed consumer, one who will understand what we got to do and also understand what you can do to abbreviate the time it takes and also to reduce dramatically the cost associated with doing so. Because there's so many things to do to maintain a trust, they're not big items that take a lot of time in most cases, but they have to be done. And people have very busy lives. So people, years ago, this is several years ago, about at least 15, people started asking us if we would maintain their trust. And we came up with a system that we have labeled, we've called peace of mind. It just simply means that the person that we're helping maintain their trust, they don't have to worry about it. Well, at least once a year, oftentimes twice, or either that or by phone calls, we keep up to date with our clients, and if they don't tell us, we'll call and ask them. And we'll make sure that that trust estate plan is kept up to date. Why is that important? For very obvious reasons. It'll take far less money to settle the estate in terms of out-of-pocket costs, far less time, and if there's less time, it takes less of an emotional toll. All those things are very important because, and it makes sense because a person passes away. We just had an individual that we had on our plan for several years. It's almost all done. There's hardly anything to do. There's a few things, but very little. There's no probate involved. We know where all the assets are. We know what kind of assets they are. We have a pretty good idea of their value. We know exactly where those assets are going to go after taxes have been paid, the proper creditors have been paid. That's our peace of mind. It really does work, and it's fairly inexpensive. It'll cost somewhere between $450 to $750 a year for us. It's a flat fee. We don't charge an hourly rate, but that's our peace of mind program, and it will save people a bunch of time to settle it and a lot of money. My name is Howard Stross, and I'm with Stross Law Firm located in Oldsmar, Florida. And if we can help you, if you have any question, all you have to do is telephone 813-852-6500, and we'll set up a phone discussion with you or possibly in person, depending on the circumstances at the time. But again, that initial discussion is not going to be at any cost to you. If you decide you do not want to proceed with us, that's that. There's no out-of-pocket cost to you. It has been an investment of your time, but you'll understand a lot after that first meeting. And thank you very much for listening.